Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Because we have f and s, so I will put number 4 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 8. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have number 1 du. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 1 over s, so we have number 8 over s ds. Next, because we don't have number 8 in here, so we divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change for u. F and s we change for this one. ds over s, that is about 1 over 8 du. So number 8 and number 8 we have 1 over 64. So u divided by u we have number 1. So number 4 divided by u we keep the same. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of this one, we have number 4 fn of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.